Hello everyone, I'm Sophie from Power User. You've probably heard the saying before, a picture is worth 1,000 words. And it couldn't be more true when it comes to presentations. Our brains process visuals far faster than text, so finding the right image to illustrate your ideas can make all the difference when it comes to engaging your audience. That is exactly where the Power User Library comes in. The library brings together all the visual content you need, letting you browse slides, shapes, icons, images, charts, maps, tombstones, and more. Today, we're focusing specifically on the Pictures component. Let's dive in. From the Power User tab in the ribbon, click to open the library panel. Once it's open, click the Pictures tab at the top. This is your central hub for all things visual. Pictures can come from different sources. Stock images from websites like Unsplash and Pexels, images you generate yourself using AI, company logos you browse from a logo browser, or pictures you have configured yourself from a folder, or pictures from your organization. We're going to look at each one of those, so let's begin with stock images. In the Sources menu, you can choose either Unsplash or Pexels. Both are popular image platforms with millions of high-quality photos. The great thing is that you get access to all that content directly from the library, without ever opening a browser. I'll just type landscape in the search bar here and press enter. As you can see, we're getting around 10,000 results instantly. I'll click on one I like, and just like that, it's inserted into my slide. I've set the default size to full slide so it automatically fills the entire slide. Clean, fast, and ready to go. And a quick but important note, all these images are high quality and free to use even in commercial presentations. No need to credit Power User or the stock partner. Now compare that to the usual process of leaving your deck, searching a browser, downloading, inserting, resizing, and then worrying about copyright. This is just so much faster and simpler. But sometimes, the exact image you need simply doesn't exist yet, because your use case is too specific, too niche, or too creative. That's where our AI image generator comes in. Still under Pictures, I'll click Create an Image with AI. I'll type a simple prompt. Let's go with a red flower and hit Enter. The image is generated and ready to insert. But it doesn't stop there. I can also refine the result using parameters like picture size, style, color palette, lighting, or framing to get exactly the look I'm after. Here you can see different pictures generated with the same prompt, simply playing with the parameters. One small thing to keep in mind. Each image you generate uses 1 credit, and your credits get refreshed every month. So you've always got what you need to keep creating. Next up is the Logo Browser, a practical feature for benchmarks, credentials pages, or market landscapes. Instead of hunting down logos on Google and dealing with inconsistent formats, you can search and insert them directly from the library. From the Sources menu, I'll select Logos. I'll type Microsoft and press Enter. And here is their logo, ready to insert. And notice this toggle here. I can insert it in full color or switch to grayscale if I need a more neutral, consistent look across my slide. Beyond public content, you might have your own image library, project photos, product visuals, local marketing assets. Power User lets you connect your own folders to the library so they're always just a click away. That content can be set up for you alone or for your entire organization. To set this up, go to Configure in the Sources menu. Click the green plus button and select a folder from your computer or network. Once connected, all the images in that folder appear as a new source in the library. You can even organize them into categories by using subfolders. It mirrors your folder structure automatically. Perfect for anyone who works with the same visuals on a regular basis. Finally, for teams and organizations, there's the option to manage image content centrally for all users at once. Admins can add marketing visuals, client logos, team headshots, and any other brand-approved assets, and make them available to everyone in the company automatically, with no setup required on the user's end. An important point here: the images stay on your organization's infrastructure, on your SharePoint, network drive, or cloud storage. They're never uploaded to a third party. Confidentiality is fully preserved. And the same logic applies to other library content types as well, like slides and icons. So to recap, the Power User Library's Pictures feature gives you access to stock images, AI-generated visuals, logos, personal folders, and official corporate assets all in one place, directly inside PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. The result is simple: less time searching, more time creating, and stronger brand consistency across every presentation you build. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and that you can already see where this fits into your workflow. Thanks for watching.